Tuesday, April 29th, and I just walked in the door and they stopped grinding. But we'll check in with Dad. So, Dad is doing some welding, and I don't know if that's been on or off or whatnot because they just showed up. Peter's here. He's all sad that his buddy Nicky Ashton didn't get voted in last night.
I'm reassured he's got a pension.
Yeah, exactly. So the young fella's up top doing some grinding, and we'll check in with Dad and see what's going on for progress today.
Look at that. No good. That's not big. No, the cat is so. Gotta try and run these flat, not on the edge, because this is what happens. Try and run it as much as you can here. You get your finger on the button there.
So they got a lot of grinding done here today. Dad was welding on this corner here. Must have been reinforcing that one corner, but you can see all the dust and rust and grind and what. The dogs don't like all the noise going on in the shop here right now, but they got quite a bit done here. There's going to have to be some welding done here to reinforce these seams, but you got to grind everything off just so they can see where all the holes are. And then probably going to be on this for next couple of days doing this. But lots of progress here, and then we're going to let Dad and Aidan continue, and then we'll get the full update from Dad. Okay, so Dad's just getting Aidan to do the vacuuming here because he's got, they want to see where everything's at. And then they're going to start up again right after this, but Dad's showing Aidan how to vacuum. Right, end of the day here. Aidan's run to town for grinding wheels. What did you guys get done today?
Well, this was all bent up, eh?
Yeah.
So we got a straight line here, and this is where the headlights mount.
Okay.
Now, you see how that's trimmed off flush?
Yeah.
I still got to make that all flush.
Okay.
This was all broke out. So I'll weld, tack weld, and get this all fixed.
Okay.
And then I'll put a new sheet in here.
Okay.
And all this is full of body putty.
Oh, really?
So the young guy has to chip that all out, eh?
Okay.
And then we'll sand it with a wire brush.
Yeah.
And refill it and take all this paint off like this.
Okay.
I got a special grinder for that.
So Dad just took off the
and then the small grinder will take this out, and that'll be body so smooth. Eh?
Okay. So
then this was bolted and riveted on. That's the door, and then welded.
yeah.
So it'll take all that shit off.
So somebody previously had done some crap work here, but Dad's getting it right down to bare metal, and
we took all the windows out.
yeah.
So stuff like this has to be straightened out, because if you get in there with that big grinder, it'll catch.
Yeah.
And it could hit you in the face or something.
So that's what Dad likes to do, is get it right down to the bare metal, because you can see all the problems, and then there's no issues.
It's gonna be good.
So
we're gonna put $3,000 paint on
Yeah.
along with the stick, eh?
yeah.
See, like right here, that's all broke loose.
Yeah.
So I'll clamp it together, tack weld it, and tap it all in, and then I'll fill all this with kitty hair.
Okay. So it's quite a bit more work, but I'm kind of surprised at how well they did here today. If you notice, when I first came in, the young fellow was up top here grinding, and they got chipping, Looks like they got the escape hatch out already.
Yeah, that's a.
And
then, he's using the air hammer, eh?
yeah.
I told him I don't want all those little pecker holes because
okay.
you gotta fill them, eh?
Okay.
Just get the rough stuff off.
So if you remember yesterday's video, Dad had actually got everything bolted up. This is why things aren't lining up there.
No, we'll look at
So-
this. I'll show you how we got it now. If I wanted to head a foot or two,
Yeah. There you go. Too easy.
we can take this right out. Eh?
Okay.
This was all broke out,
Yeah.
re-welded. This was welded, so we got to grind this. So the coverage going to go on here will be on a hinge you can tip up
Okay.
to get at the fuel tanks and all that stuff.
Okay. I think the yelling fella's back here, guys, but that's the update for today. And
We got to make a job of it, or else we're not going to touch it at all.
yeah. So stay tuned for the next episode, and we will catch you guys tomorrow.
And crooked, eh? Oh, yeah.
So Dad's just having the end of day wet with the boys here and discussing second day on the job. And there's Charles and there's Emily, and I saw Schooner around here somewhere. But the little dog is just, oh my God, let me in the shop where I see my dad. Cat wants his treats.